Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the TDI with alerts for MT4 and MT5. This tool wraps the traders dynamic index into one window, which are the RSI, moving average, and Bollinger Bands, and adds alerts so you are notified when its key trend, crossover, and volatility conditions appear. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. As you can see, the alerts over here. Now let's move on to the indicator. The TDI with alert plots the TDI line, a signal line, and Bollinger Bands round RSI in a single sum window beneath price. When the TDI line is above 50 with an upward slope, it implies bullish trend conditions. Below 50 with a downward slope implies bearish condition. Meanwhile, bullish signals occur when the TDI line crosses above the signal line. This red line is the signal line. This is our baseline. The red line is our signal line. The blue line is our Bollinger Band. This blue line is our Bollinger Band. The green line is our RSI. And the yellow line is the market baseline. Now let's proceed. We also have this signal line too. Now, bullish signal occurs when the TDI line crosses above the signal line, as I said earlier, while bearish signals appear when it crosses below. Meanwhile, the Bollinger Bands around RSI widen in high volatility and contract in low volatility, visually confirming when markets are active enough to support potential opportunities. Its settings include the RSI period, RSI price, and other RSI variables. We also have the trade signal line too, and the alerts, as this is an alert indicator. We also have its color for each of the signal line over here, which you can adjust to suit your trading style. Now, who is it for? The TDI with alerts is for traders who want a single combined view of trend, momentum, and volatility with clear signals and automated notifications. As you can see over here, it shows a strong sell at 211.373, and TDI trend shows a strong downward momentum. As you can see by the dashboard over here, it's still a lagging indicator and a technical tool that can produce false signals in choppy markets. It depends heavily on parameter choices, and it is best to use it with a defined plan, backtesting, and complementary analysis rather than relying on alerts alone. It also shows a single word character on the price to indicate whether it's a buy or sell. However, it is not always accurate. As you can see here, it showed a sell. Meanwhile, price went up and it showed a buy over here and price went down. So it is not fully accurate. Now you can find the download link to the indicator in the description below. You can also read the full TDI with alerts article, including detailed strategy, steps for buy and sell signals, pros and cons, and alert configuration ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.